All right, different tips that you're going to have on the oxy-acetylene welder. It's all in relationship to the hole size, okay, on the tip, okay? Sometimes referred to as the orifice. The smaller the hole, the smaller the flame. The smaller the flame doesn't affect the temperature. It's still going to be about 6,000 degrees, okay? The size of tip here with a thicker outfit is just simply relative to a number found on the tip. This tip here happens to be a number 2. The smaller tips, they go from 2 to 1. This happens to be a 0, or called an aught. All right. They even go smaller than that. This one happens to be a double aught, and you can even go finer to where it's a triple aught. Okay. But anyway, that's the size of the tip. Sometimes these tips, when they're on, okay, taking it on and off, that tip on and off, they should be just hand tight. Just like that. That's all the tighter they need to be. We don't need to take a wrench and tighten them down. That should be as tight as they go. Okay. To replace it, it just simply rolls off. Grab another tip, the size that you might need, and turn that thing on. You okay with that? All right. Sometimes those tips get clogged. We end up getting these just a little bit too close to the puddle itself, the molten metal puddle. And when that happens, we need to take a tip cleaner. And what this tip cleaner looks like is a whole bunch of, it almost looks like rat tail files, tiny little files. And what I like to do is crack the oxygen on, just where I can see it or hear it coming out. Okay, and as that comes out, I'll take a tip cleaner and I will push that down the hole. Now the reason I have that oxygen going slightly is just simply to bring some of the filings out. Find the right one that fits. And that's straight in and out. Don't try to bell. We don't want to bell the ends. So once that's clean, there's also a small little file here. And just run that file across that a time or two to level that thing out. Okay? To square that end up. The tip cleaner is found in the cabinet in the back right there. Probably won't have to use it a lot. Okay. All right. Any questions on changing tips or using a tip cleaner? All right.